Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Chromebook touchscreen not working issue in a quick and simple way. If your touchscreen is unresponsive, first restart your Chromebook to clear temporary glitches. Once it turns back on, try using the touchscreen again. If it still doesn't work, press Search, Shift, and T keys together to make sure the touchscreen is enabled. Next, clean your screen gently with a soft cloth to remove any dirt or moisture that might block touch input. Now, perform a hard reset by pressing the refresh key and power button together for a few seconds. After that, go to Settings and check for System Updates, then install the latest version. You can also test in guest mode to rule out app issues. Finally, if the problem continues, consider a power wash reset, and your touchscreen should start working normally again without any problems. Subscribe the channel for more videos.